Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Strange. I'm sure I saw Thomas.
Get away!
Mater, let's go! You're on!
It was through St. Louis, a Chaplin, Missouri, Oklahoma City looks so pretty.
That's because I'm invisible, which means the monkeys won't see me either.
Not too bad. If the press find you, they will be like many bugs on you.
Papara.
I'm having a tornado in a trailer park.
But I changed the direction of my life when I started
something to tell you. Huh? What is it? Something's...
¡Son tubos de escape!
Meta,
Yeah, Finn?
we're not here to go shopping.
Shop? What do you mean?
¿Alguien conoce a Rayo McQueen? Hoy que es el más veloz del juego.
Back civilized. We got cut.
Dude, it's mine.
Hey, fellas.
How do you think I'd look in Dynaco blue?
Dynaco Blue!
Wow. Subtle.
Figured if I'm gonna be your crew chief, I better do it instead.
Man. Ramon will paint you up right. Hey, anything you want. You know, like the flame job.
We're doing this. Gunny can't guide us. This is his first time downtown.
Let's turn.
What? I thought you were supposed to be making me a disguise.
Voice recognized. Disguise program initiated.
I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Hey!
Oh, number 7 is loose! Shoot, Todoroki!
Is everything okay?
If you're worried about your fuel, man, don't. It's perfectly safe.
A Tomica, and
What's your name, son?
Lightning McQueen.
Signori, in the pole position, numero uno, Francesco.
Gonna be going now, okay?
A little something to remember us by.
All spectators, clear the starting line.
Man,
got more talent in one lug nut than a lot of cars have got in their whole body.
Really? Oh, that
Bet you're
You know, I'd love to see the rest of the town. So if you could just...
Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will beat him.
Mama ain't seen you that low in years.
I haven't seen a road like this in...
I'll say, ciao. You're gonna...
Welcome to the Rusty's Racing Center. You have no idea how much I've been looking forward to.
He's great.
I gotta go to a doctor. I keep getting these sharp pains in my undercarriage.
Downloading the...
Miles Axelrod in an attempt to become the first car to circumnavigate the globe without GPS.
Sterling, why don't you and I take a drive and talk? Billionaire to billionaire.